Today I'm going to be showing you guys a detailed look at the UBeesize 12-inch ring light with overhead phone mount. I basically want to let you guys know how this works for video recording, photography, and content creation. Now, this setup is designed for creators, home users, and anyone who needs good lighting and stable phone positioning. Inside the box, you're going to get the 12-inch LED ring light, the adjustable phone holder, an overhead phone mount arm, 62-inch adjustable tripod stand, power cable and controls, and an instruction manual. Basically everything you need to start filming is included. The 12-inch ring light provides bright, even lighting that reduces shadows and improves clarity. This is going to feature multiple brightness levels, adjustable light intensity, and soft eye-friendly LED lighting. This would be fabulous for face lighting, product shots, cooking videos, tutorials, live streaming, and video calls. The light is soft enough for long filming sessions without being too harsh and creating overhead shadows. One of the standout features is the overhead phone mount though. This allows you to position your phone directly above or at an angle or facing forward or pointing downward. This is especially useful if you're doing cooking videos, do-it-yourself projects, desk tutorials, product demos, anything like this. The included tripod is adjustable up to 62 inches, which gives you flexibility for different filming setups. You can use this at a standing height, a desk height, a seated height, or a floor setup. This setup is really customizable. You can tilt the ring light, rotate the phone mount, adjust the arm length, change the height easy. This makes it easy to switch between filming styles without rebuilding your entire setup. We were sent this to test out and to review it for you. As you can tell, the difference between the ring light and not having one is night and day. We would definitely recommend this for any content creators